Physics is an area of study that's relevant to everything around us, underpinning all the technology that we know and love. You will study aspects of both classical and modern physics from the first year. This includes developing the concepts of forces, motion and energy that you studied at GCSE, to encompass interactions in 2 dimensions and the motion of objects through fluids. The mechanical properties and behaviour of materials subjected to stress are considered in detail, as are aspects of electrical resistance and potential. Wave behaviour is a significant component. The study of mechanics, including oscillations and resonance, continues into the second year. You'll also study thermodynamics and cover modern concepts in nuclear physics. You'll undertake an exploration of space and modern ideas in cosmology. The study of fields is a major theme in the second year. Throughout both years, practical work is a significant component of the course that will help you to acquire the working skills of a physicist. Physics is a popular, challenging A-level subject. Students are required to be dedicated, well organised and self-motivated for independent study, including reading widely around each topic. At Dormers, we offer the Pearson Edexcel specification for physics. There's a regular pattern of assessment, including mini-tests with rapid feedback, in-depth essays to show your consolidated understanding, and formal, extended examinations to monitor progress at key milestones. A-level physics is a wonderful opportunity to really get to grips with the subject you've come to enjoy and have chosen to study further, as well as for the sheer wonder of studying what everything is made of and the beauty in the complexity of it all.
So why did you pick A-level physics?
Because the amount of maths and equations that we can relate to the everyday world around us.
It's a very fascinating subject in terms of learning how many things on our Earth work, specifically projectiles and trajectories and all those kind of things. Over the 2 years we look at waves, we look at mechanics, we look at thermodynamics, then we look at simple harmonic motion, and all those topics are really, really interesting to read upon.
What topics have you enjoyed the most and why?
I would say mechanics, because it relates mostly about mathematics, but we compare that to situations not just on the world but in space, for example gravitational fields and so on.
Yeah, mechanics is very interesting because you have to break down the problem in many, many small components and then take every component into account. And you can cover loads of interesting real-life problems such as planes and how they prepare for their landings using their projectile motion and using Suva equations, etc. We have, I think, overall 16 practicals to do over the year, and those are just the core practicals. You also have additional ones on the side which aren't marked, but most of the practicals are really enjoyable. You use a lot of skills, and it's nice to work in pairs, even individually, on your practical skills.
And teachers usually give us what we're going to do a week in advance, so we do our research.
I think with physics you learn a lot of new things that you didn't know before, and it's actually really intriguing, especially when I was saying when you get real life problems, you see how everything works and how the things we do always have calculations behind them. It's really interesting.